Go to your new project, open the CMD. In that, hope you have done the installation of React Router DOM, Bootstrap, Axios, all are installed. Run this command. In your project, you should have npm install Bootstrap, npm install Bootstrap, npm install router DOM, npm install Axios, and npm install Redux. If these are not installed, let's do that quickly. Axios and Redux, both you need to install. You can do code space dot space dot. My editor will not open. Okay, ready? So that Redux also you got installed. Now come to your app.js file, not app.js file. I have here some old file from the previous component. It's a copy of project file I have taken. In the index.js file, you can call those no bootstrap and other stuff. Call the bootstrap here. Import the bootstrap in index.js file. Bootstrap.css, bootstrap.css. Important? Okay. So now, hmm? Now whatever is there, let it be, add this line. Don't modify anything, add this line. Okay, so bootstrap hope you got it. Next, after that, come to SRC folder and let me give you some documentation of Redux first. Redux guide. So are you in the system? How to share this file? Login, login. Login quickly. But if you login also, you have to login through the Zoom app. In Zoom app, if you login, I can share you this guide for the Redux notes. I share the file in the chat, Redux guide. Got the file? Hmm? Yes, in that file, many theories are written about the redux. You will read that. What is the redux? What is inside? How it is going to work? Many more things are there. So, redux is a library of JavaScript. It works in very different way than the redux. React. It is going to hold your data. It has a concept of a store, action, reducer. One store that hold entire application data. Action, what is that? The reducer, what is that? Okay, so first we'll organize the folder structure and then we'll work on that. So let's come to your which folder app.js file. In app.js file, if you want, you can import React router link and all. You can import this online. It is required. You are logging the Zoom app or browser. Class on 2 p.m. Sasank. Okay, I will come. Okay, so this line you add inside the link. Hmm. Why always you will be back? This will be the first venture. No? Company never executes the system problem, mobile problem, bike problem, or they will excuse. They will never excuse. They will say, okay, wanted to work here, let's go. So be the first venture, don't be the last venture, okay? Add this line. After that, do the npm start, npm start. In browser, it will show h1 as a redux. In browser, it will show h1 as a redux. Check now what is printing in the browser. Localhost is print only Redux or something else. Printing Redux. Next, go ahead. Write here a navigation here. Okay, UL li link, you will li link, you will li inside that link to the right here call book management, one link. For this, write a class name equal to text hyphen white, or maybe write my link. Copy that. Next line, next line, next line. Total 4 component. Book management, user management, API management, all store data, all store data, all store data. All store data. Next, after that, link you have to keep under the hash router. Hash router open and hash router close, and inside you will keep the link. Okay, ready? Now save the file. Link is working here. CSS we have to write for this. Then it will be okay. ID equal to top name. ID equal to top name. Ready? Top nav, we have to write the CSS for top nav. Come to the index.css file, write the CSS for top nav. Okay, come next to the index.css file. Write for top nav as top nav, top nav. Inside that you will write display :flags, display flags, background, color purple. Next, after that, class called mylink. Inside that, extra decoration none, and color white, and padding 18 px. Automatically it should come in one line. Automatically it should come in one line. So my link is for my link. Don't write the padding. Padding write for UL li. Top nav of li. Top nav of li. Padding 18 px. Top nav of li padding 18 px. Then it will generate one navigation. It will generate one navigation. Something like this. Inside the li you can write list hyphen style hyphen type colon none. List style type colon none. List style type colon none. List style type colon none. The dots will get removed and this will look like as a menu like this. So now menu is ready. Navigation is ready. Okay, go next. Now we have to create 4 component, and on the click of each link the page should load here. These all are only React as of now. Redux we have not added anywhere. Now come to the your project folder, src folder, and you have to create the book user API and all data. 4 files you have to create: book.js, user.js, api.js, and all data.js. Under the src folder, create a file called book.js. Next, go to the book.js. Under the book.js, import React from React. Next, after that, const book fat arrow method return. It is functional component pure. Class name container empty45 division class name row division class name call -lg-12. Keep text center, right inside h1 or maybe h3. Book management will go inside, and we will come below export default. Now let me share this code in the chat. Okay, ready? Copy this content, paste in the next file, user.js, user.js, and change here call instead of book, change the user and write here call user, and you can write here call user management. User management. Hope this file is ready. We will create one more file, api.js. Okay, hope you have written. Copy this, next paste in the next file, api.js, api.js, API, API, data management. API management. Now copy all, paste in the next file, give the file name all data.js. All data.js. All data.js. What you are not able to do? What is? You have installed the Bootstrap? Today install again. All data.js. All data. Now we need here all Redux store data. All Redux store data. So hope your 4 files are ready. Book, user, API, and then all data. Let me know once your file is ready. Installed. Okay, now after that, come to your app.js and import all the files. App.js and import all the files. In app.js, import all the files. Import user first book. Import book from book.js. Import user from user.js. Import API from API or API data is API only. Import API from API.js file. Import all API, or what is that? Import all data from all data.js. Next, after that, in the previous project already you have written the root and roots. You can copy those section and paste here. We will change the path. Only slash then book slash user, then user slash API, then API slash store slash all data, then all data. What is installed? Bootstrap based CSS. Bootstrap spelling is wrong. Yeah? Bootstrap.css in index.js file. Open in here in VS Code. Go to the index.js file. What you are calling the spelling check. Okay, hope written. Now in the previous project you have written the roots and all. We require to copy that and paste here. What is it? React router DOM is installed. What to call on the top in app.js file as router. Okay, so we need to add that all here. So we can go to the command. You have written anything? You need to write. You can take the CSS from him. In index.js app.js file, previous component you have written something, roots and root. So if you are okay, you can copy from there, no problem. Roots and root, and you can add here and change the path. Link is ready now. Now based on link, add the roots and root. Only 4 we required. One is called empty, another one is called user, another one is called API, and next is called all data. Remaining, no need, and remove that. And you require to change here the path. First will be called book. Second will be called user. Third will be called API. Fourth will be called as a all data. Now routing should work if you click on the links. This is third time we are learning routing. Once you have done in the class, one is showing the project and another one is this is under the Redux. Blazor. Click on the link. Link. Pages should load. User API all data. API all data. See for me which page should work. User not loading. So it's coming. No? User management API all data. So page are loading or error? Check, this is the code. I will share it this much in hash. It's a copy paste. It's like this. Yes. मेरे भी रिलेटिव है मौका दिया है वो भी करते 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 लास्ट में problem working. Okay, good then. So routing is done. These data are coming from where? a static file. In this, we have to see Redux, how it will work. This is from the React. This is not from the Redux. It is from the React. Okay? Redux is something else. Let's go then. Now we will make the structure of pages. In which page what we want to do. Okay, then we'll come to the Redux. So first book file. It's a single dimensional array. User is multi-dimensional array. API.js is the API, how to communicate with the API using Redux. And all data.js will give you the data of book also, user also, and API also. All data. Now come to the book.js file. Go inside. Right. Paragraph. Enter. The Redux has a specific functionality. Okay, Redux has a specific functionality. What is that? After implementing only will come to know. Right here, input type equal to text. Input type equal to text. Give ID equal to new book. Come down below. Create a button. Or save book. Apply the class of Bootstrap. Class name. btn icon. Primary. M2 or M3. Text box is ready. Enter book name. Create a table below. Write a paragraph here. Just print inside. Total books. Come down below. Write a table. Class name. Table. T-head. TR. PH. Book index. PH. Price. Now book name. PH. Action. This. Class name. Write. Text primary. Okay, so here the list of books will come. That will be handled by Redux. table hyphen BORDERED. Okay, so hope this is ready. Table. Next, after that, the paragraph including table copy from here, both the paragraph and table copy from here, paste into the user file. After the H3, paste here and write here call. Remove this and write here call name, ID as a name, class name M2. M-2. M-2. Name, price, QTY. Oh, name, age, and then education, EDU. Save user. Name, age, and education. Ready? Total users. User index. Username. Username. After that, age, user index, then full name. Full name. After that, age, then education, and one more th for action. Full name, age, education, and then action. Check now how the user page is looking. User page will look like this. In the text boxes, you can add the placeholder everywhere. Placeholder. Placeholder as a name. Placeholder equal to age. Placeholder equal to education. Then only we'll get to know what we have to enter there. Right, name is education. Now next what we have called API. So come to the API, copy only button, go to the API file. Now there also you can use the table to table. This table to table, total user and table to table, you copy and paste there. Table to table you copy, paste into the API. Right here total API, API, total API, records. Here you can write index, car model, model, car price, tool type, FUEL, fill type, and MIL. Now total API records is this many. Come down here, write a button. Inside you keep here. Get car. Get car is one button. Class name btn hyphen primary M2 or M3. Here one more button. College a success, send car list to Redux. Send car list to Redux. Send car list to Redux store. Something like this. Once you click on get car, here car list will appear. Once you click on send it to Redux store, it will go to the next page. Car data. Now, whatever the data you will get under the book here, you can delete from here, no problem. User data you can save delete list here. API data will come from here, but finally all the data you can see under this file also. This file, all stored data. In that, once we implement, we'll come to know the theory file I have given you. The theory file, one file was given this. Go through the terms are written inside. What is the Redux? What is the meaning of that? How that work? Even from YouTube also a lot of videos are there. You can follow. Then we will. So the project structure is ready. Next, what we have to do? We have to set up the Redux installation is also done. Now we have to create the files for the Redux. As of now, file you have created. This is the view file where you are going to display the data. Functionality of a Redux will be in separate file that we have to create. We have to create a file called reducer. We have to create a file called a store. We have to create a file called, you can say, action. So action and reducer communication will happen. From there, data will go to the store. From a store, we can fetch and display all the places. Okay, so hope pages are loading. Next, after that, tomorrow we have project class in the morning. That is the one task, and another task in the afternoon. As usual, what time we log in? 1:30 we log in, right? 1:30 we have Redux class tomorrow and day after tomorrow also. Redux 2 more classes we will finish tomorrow and day after tomorrow. From Monday I have other class, so you need to log in tomorrow and day after. Sunday I will come here morning, but you people are sure. Tomorrow also I will come, but you have to say yes if you are coming, then only I come. If I will come here, if you are not coming, then no meaning. 8 o'clock, yes, 8 o'clock. If you are unable to come, 7:40 you need to message me or call me. Okay, then I will cancel the plan. I will be from the home only. In case if you are coming, then no problem. You can, once we start from home, you can message me. Okay. For me, it take 3 minutes only to come from my home to here by scooter. 3 to 5 minutes maximum. Once we start from home, ping me once in WhatsApp. I will come quickly. Okay, so project class 8 o'clock as usual. Remaining 1:30 Redux class as usual. Tomorrow we need to log in. Okay, so we will set up the complete Redux and saving the data of book file, saving the data of user file, and one more class next day once we log in. There we can finish the API and this. Saturday, Sunday. It is not difficult. It's easy.